Some flavors don't need a long list of ingredients to make an impression. This peanut punch is rich, creamy, and smooth, packed with that deep roasted peanut flavor that keeps you coming back for sip after sip. It's the kind of drink that grandma would probably serve alongside a hearty Sunday lunch. Simple, comforting, made with love. Every chilled glass is perfectly sweet, guaranteed to make your mouth water from the first sip. Let's make it. Our ingredients are ready. Let's create something truly special. The most enjoyable way to enjoy peanut punch is beastly cold. Let's add 3.5 cups of ice to our blender. All the amounts will be listed in the description box. Evaporated milk gives the punch body and creaminess. Grate fresh nutmeg in so the oils bloom as soon as they go into the milk. Every sip feels like comfort in a glass. Condensed milk these days run a little thinner and not as sweet. So if you want that old school richness, you'll need to add a bit more sugar. It definitely won't taste like the condensed milk from long ago. I have a recipe for condensed milk on this channel. You can definitely check that out. But be sure to know the brand of condensed milk that you are using. However you like your peanut butter, chunky, smooth, or even straight up peanuts, what matters is that the flavor shines. I am using approximately 1 cup of peanut butter. My peanut butter of choice is the creamiest peanut butter that I can find. Ground cinnamon is a very good call. Makes the entire glass feel very cozy. Our last ingredient would be whole milk. We are adding whole milk to stretch our peanut butter all the way up to the max. As I said before, my condensed milk is not very sweet, so I am adding a little bit of sugar to my taste. The entire recipe will be listed in the description box. Add sugar to your taste. Blend it until everything is combined and you get a really nice, smooth, creamy, and rich peanut punch. There is something special about watching a rich, creamy peanut punch slowly filling a glass. Thick, silky, and packed with that deep, roasted peanut flavor. There are so many variations of peanut punch, but this one is one of my favorites. It's simple, easy, and absolutely delicious. It doesn't take a long list of ingredients to create something this satisfying. We are garnishing with a little bit of fresh nutmeg, and some chopped green red skin peanuts. This right here is a kind of classic that keeps you coming back for more. One sip and you'll understand why this peanut punch always gets me hooked. If you have gotten this far into the video, give the video a thumbs up, which helps my YouTube channel to grow by reaching more people, to help me grow and to make better content. We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.